I got contact right side fence line. Contact right side fence line.
Mask is all fogging up.
Yeah.
Dude, I think we got friendlies up there, but not 100.
Zach, we got friendlies laying down. Let's hit the main road and regroup.
How far up are they? Because they got moving right here going in front of us.
We got friendlies laying
that's
down.
friendly right there. Enemies is up this fence line, Zach. If you want to hug this fence line, keep them there, but they're not moving forward.
Yeah.
I need to test my gun. It just went out on me.
Let me see.
Alright, we got fire.
I don't know. It sounds like Texas gun.
What do you guys got? What do you guys got on the right side? Let me know. Let me know. Do we have green on the right side by the fence line? I'm not getting anything back on the radio. I think
we hold that fence line, dude. I think they're pushing kind of hard.
we can see it. Alright, they said move up a little bit. On the right side or the main trail? Alright, you guys, they're moving left right now, so let's go meet up with them on the trail. Let's go. Check, are you on the right side? How far up are you? Ten four. Medic! Alright, thank you. Hey, what we got up there? What we got? 10-4. I gotta reload. 10-4. You got fire on the left side? Coming through. Let's go. I'm laying down. Hey, retrieve at 12 o'clock. Gotta reload.
I got you. In the bunker.
No. What happened?
Yeah. What?
No.
Yeah. I can't see a fucking thing. I'm taking shots.
10-4, and enemy too. Hold on. Let me see your mask.
Yeah.
He's coming!
Hold
They
on.
need you, they need you.
Where you at? I can't see a fucking thing.
Go hop that back wall.
Hold on.
I got contact, 12 o'clock!
Alright, you know that guy behind the big wall, right? Alright, we got another 2 or so in the hut. We got 2 or so to the left of the hut. Don't get on those others. Keep an eye on them so they leave on you.
10-4.
Hey, good shot!
Check, you got anything on the wall?
Where are you? Fuck, I can't breathe, man.
You need some water? Let me know your sit rep, what's your status? Drink some water. Are you still behind that big wall? I need a paycheck. It's a hit?
Right there, yep.
Alright, thank you. Hey.
There's a shitload of them coming right this way. They're fanned out through there.
Alright, we got movement coming on this trail.
Yeah, well, they're gonna come in behind us if we fucking leave our back wide open.
Should me and you walk that way then?
They're gonna fall right in behind us because they just seen us come across the street.
Yeah, Dustin, on our 6, they just seen us cross the street. Hey, I'm packing smoke, so we need to get the fuck out of here.
There's one fucking laying down right there. Hey, there's a bunch of them right there, dude. We gotta get up there, man. There's a bunch of them right here, though. Shitload of them.
You got contact?
Hey, watch your 2 o'clock. They're fanned
Are you
out
hit?
all
Are you hit?
out there. Check my back, check my back.
You're clean, you're clean, you're clean, you're clean, clean, clean.
There's one laying down on the street.
We got a medic over here too, so. Alright, come back towards me, come back towards me. Dustin, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Play paintball, man?
I'm reloading. Alright, here we go.
Oh, this is Waynesville.
Run the fucking fight now. Hey bro, you do me a favor and hold that thing, like flip it. That triangle thing right there. Like over top. Alright, thank you very much, dude.
They're running through the bushes! They're running through the bushes, Larry!
I gotta reload. We got a medic! Stay down! We got a medic!
I'll be right back, boys. Get him. You gotta
10-4,
get
10-4.
Hey, you guys gotta get to Inca. He's got important things.
10-4.
I don't want to say it loud. You gotta get to him. He's got points. You know what I mean?
We're gonna make a move, guys. You're gonna make a move. What's up?
Are we gonna move?
I can smoke this whole fucking forest out and we're out of here.
Where's Chad?
Hey, we should wait for check. Wait for check.
He's at base.
He's still at the north base. You want to?
Listen,
You want to smoke it out?
we all have to push. We have to push. Okay? We're going to do labor, okay? All right, we're gonna push, okay? Where do you want to go?
We're here, man. We're all here. That's all we got.
We're gonna go forward.
All right, ready? I'm coming across.
Okay, so where's the target?
Hey, I'm
That
gonna
way?
be moving target, all right?
Just stay low. Stay low.
I'm gonna come out to the middle of the road. Okay, hey, where? Right there. Right across the middle, right behind the tree. 2 o'clock. Okay, that's right.
Can I get a pod from you? Take it from my back.
Okay, Tyler. You really want to push up in there? We gotta get to the center town. We gotta wait for Larry. Let's go. We gotta wait for Scary Larry. What? We can't wait.
We don't need to wait. Hey,
He's our mission
Tyler,
expert.
Tyler, I got the mission right on my radio.
Watch out.
Guys, we gotta move up to Center Town. One of our team leaders are over there. He's got props or something.
Hey guys, listen
So which
up.
way? This way?
We gotta move. We gotta take their pace. Okay, there's one guy in the bushes right there. I was trying to talk our way through here.
A little lower.
How about to the right here? There's some guy that's picking us. Our guys right here. Where's the other bush? Where's this guy in this bush? Alright guys. I'll tell you what we do. Which is more likely going to this side or that side? We're gonna try this side, so. Okay, you three, plus you, go through this side. The rest of us are gonna try to push through the right side here. No, Nick, this way. We wanna end up. You don't wanna go too far though. We gotta get through here. Alright, go. Space, guys. Let's go get some leeway. Alright, guys? Let's all move. Guys, follow this way.
Yeah.
Extreme rage style.
I got a 450 round hopper, so let's do this shit.
Holy crap.
Guys. I found an orange box in that building right there. Let's go. I don't know if it's a bomb or not. Who's the...
I'm an engineer.
Check it out. I don't know if it's a bomb. I don't know.
Before it hits them.
Yeah, but we can like bunker anytime.
On your 12 o'clock, there's an open if you want to move up, but
That's crazy.
you want to smoke them out?
You want to throw something in front of me?
There you go, man.
What are we doing?
I'm about to smoke this motherfucker out.
Okay.
Hey, we're smoking him out. We're smoking him out.
Alright, where do you want me to throw it at?
Straight ahead.
Give
I'm
me.
gonna shoot the freaking building, okay? And you're gonna go right up, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
It should come up. Oh shit, I lost my fan. I need this thing. No.
Yeah, I think the guy in the building's out. The guy in the building. We gotta move slowly. I know there's somebody over there.
Is he still in the building?
No, he's out. He's out.
You want to move up, use the smoke as cover?
Yeah, but you have to crawl. You have to crawl. You have to get on your knees.
Take the hit. Take the hit.
We're out.